C&C Construction Management is proud to enhance Cranes Mill, a luxury independent living community in West Caldwell, New Jersey. Our team had the privilege of updating the town center, which now features a newly designed dining area, bar, lounge, main entrance, and porte-cochère. Renovating an occupied facility required thoughtful planning to ensure minimal disruption for residents. C&C Construction prioritized their comfort by installing temporary walls and incorporating decorative elements to maintain a warm, home-like atmosphere throughout the construction process. For added safety, we implemented clearly marked signage and security-coded doors at construction entrances. Collaboration was key to success. Our team worked closely with owners, architects, and subcontractors to bring their vision to life on budget and on schedule, even amidst the challenges of the pandemic. One unique aspect of this project was addressing sound management in the town center. To reduce echo and noise, we installed Acoustibuilt, a high-performance drywall ceiling designed for superior sound blocking and absorption. Through expertise, innovation, and a commitment to excellence, C&C Construction has transformed Cranes Mill, ensuring a refined and comfortable environment for its residents.